So this is how you send a calendar invite. You go to the week in question. Let's say it's this week. I'm going to send it for tomorrow. Drag and drop at the time zone that you're looking to go for. You can drag and drop for multiple or just for 30 minutes here. Do your company name. And then if you have their company name, let's just say it's Netflix. Perfect. This is where you're going to send the invite to the prospect when you have them on the phone. So then we're going to go to, and then what you do to make this really quick is you go to your templates. See, I kind of have my rifle shot here, but I have my templates in a different area. So I'm going to pull that up. All right. So I have all of my emails in a separate folder. So I'm just going to go here. And I have actually combined my rifle shot with the tentative. It's right here. Change their name as promised earlier this week, or for me today was with you earlier today. Here's a little calendar invite. 8:15 PST. Perfect. Make sure you put their calendar invite in there. I'll just do mine, right? And then I'm setting it over, and that's it. And then you just keep following up with this person as much as you can.